Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about Tesla bringing back the 0% APR, and we're going to check out the inventory, see if there's any Tesla Model Y Juniper, right? And let's get to it. Model 3. So usually Tesla like to give out incentive, to hopefully people want to buy their vehicles, right? So they have Model 3 right here, and you can see right here, if you click on the link below, you're going to get a 3-month full self-driving. So make sure, if you want it, use my referral code. And over here, you get 0% APR. Usually, it will last until probably the end of the month. That's how Tesla does it. And as you can see right here, this is the long-range rear-wheel drive. And we're going to take a look at the finance part of it, and then we'll see the breakdown and everything too. And as you can see, we're not going to go over all these numbers we already know. So right here it tells you $540 a month, and this one does include the $7,500 credit, and 9% down was about $4,000, 0 PR for 60 months. Right, and then we click on the edit the terms here, and you can see again back to it. This is a promotional rate. Otherwise, you wouldn't see this kind of rate. Average right now about 6 to 8%. So that's how Tesla get people into owning a Tesla. And you can actually play with this as well too. So if you put $0 down, and your payment's gonna go up to $606 a month, right? And this is the basic one. So if you go through all the basic, you can still buy the $8,000 for self-driving. And here it's going to go give you more detail of what the price is. So this is $42,490. And then here give you the vehicle price. This is what included: the stealth gray color, the 18-inch wheel, the black premium interior, autopilot, basic autopilot, and 30 days premium connectivity. And then that one you can subscribe for $12 a month. If you do it annually, it'll be $99. And we always get charged for destination fees and order fees of $250, like a deposit. And then here you see like the federal tax credit that bring it down to $36,630. And with all that taken into consideration, your monthly payment will be $750 a month, right? But after the federal tax credit, $606, which is not bad compared to what I'm paying. And if you can click on the other versions of the vehicle as well, like let's say if you wanna the all-wheel drive model, looking at $690, and you wanna like the performance with all the speed that you can get, it's $836, right? And let's go see if on the inventory, sometime they might give you like the inventory discount, but especially with the Model 3, they don't give you much on that. And let's see if they do have some inventory. So here we can see here, but there's no discount on the Model 3 on the inventory. You see, if there's a discount, it would state it somewhere up here. But all these vehicles are new vehicles, not demo vehicles. Usually the little bit of the inventory discounts are more like a demo, a little bit of damage here and there during transit, or something that Tesla repair. But yeah, you can pretty much see different colors. Right, let's check out the Model Y. Alright, check this out. So it actually is in inventory, so if you really want the new style, the Tesla Model Y, you can actually buy it. And let's see, we can go with the basic one here with the stealth gray, and let's take a look. Again, it tells you use my referral code for the 3 months. Okay, check this out. This is the new one. And this, if you were saying you were to finance it, wow, it's almost the same price as the other one, the Model 3. The other one is 606, this is 636. So if I were to given a choice between the Model 3 and the Model Y, I would definitely go with the Model Y. This is an all-wheel drive new vehicle, stealth gray color, 19-inch wheel, all black, 5-seat, and as you can see right here, tells you 7% down, almost $4,000 down. And the sad part of this one, it doesn't come with the 0% APR. This one comes at what, 5.49%, which is still cheaper than others out there. So as you can see here, this is with excellent credit, and it's not promotional credits here. So, but if you do have a federal credit union or local credit union, that might be able to give you a little bit better than this, right? So usually they do. And again, with any new vehicle, you can also add the full stroke driving, and you don't want to spend the $8,000 upfront. You can always subscribe monthly, about $180 with included tax. So all the cars come with 4 years warranty, 50,000 miles, and battery and motors 8 years, 120,000. And this one actually available at the West Covina one. This is the one that I actually did a demo, overnight demo of this one. So I have a 2023, and driving this is like a day and night. If you guys are in the area, if you think about getting into an EV or not even Tesla, go check it out. See if you like it, But my thing is, if you test drive an EV, you're gonna like it, because the acceleration, the simplistic of the Tesla, it's like, what's not to like, But don't take my words for it, Don't trust me. Just go out there, book yourself a demo. I've seen on the video where one of the YouTuber mentioned that there's like a 2 days demo drive. I actually contacted Tesla, and they said the 2 days overnight demo, it actually like an emailed invitations only. So maybe the big influencer, maybe, but as far as I know, not everyone gets to do the 2 days demo. Yeah, but if we go to all the pricing for this one, let's see. So this one is $48,990. So included the wheel, everything is here included, right? And it's a total price $50,630 minus that. So it ended up with $43,000. So your monthly will be, this is before this federal tax credit, so still lower than what I'm paying now. So yeah, pretty good deal. So I don't know, sometime if you wait until closer to the end of the month, like maybe 1 or 2 days before that, Tesla might even give you like free supercharging for me, like with 2 years, 10,000 miles or 2 years. I ended up only using like 5,000 miles of supercharging, and the rest it just expired, so which just sucks. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding about Tesla, feel free to leave in a comment below. But other than that, be safe. Till next time.